Mika here, hi. In this video, I explain how you should use your custom noise to gain staging your mix into a balanced one. I am working in Apple Logic Pro X, but the same process applies to any DAW. First, open a mix project and select the loudest part of your mix. I have deliberately made the stems playing in this demo too loud by increasing the output at the last plugin, compressors of each instrument. So the mix is clipping at the master, as you can see. This way it is easier for you to hear the difference. The tracks could also be too quiet, but in this case they are way too loud. Open a VU metering plugin at the master bus. If you don't have one, I have included a link listing a few alternatives for both Mac and PC. You find the link in the description below. Check that the plugin is calibrated to -18 decibels full scale, which is the sweet spot loudness where plugins typically perform at their best. Now, solo the noise track, start listening and check that it plays at around -18 decibels full scale. VU meter should hover just below 0 on its metering scale. Now you are ready to gain stage. Solo the noise track and one track at a time. Here is my bass before gain staging. Way too loud. Here is my bass after gain staging. I guess you can hear the difference. Here's the kick before gain staging. And after gain staging. You should do this to each individual instrument in your mix. Note, for ultimate results, you should also check that the signal does not run way too loud when adding any plugin. If that happens, you should add a gain plugin before the plugin you plan to add and adjust the signal loudness accordingly, close to the noise ceiling, so that you can barely hear the instrument playing against the noise. Also, do not use the mixer faders, as those are more useful when making automated fine-tuning adjustments at various parts of your track when mixing it. Using this custom noise technique gives you a very well-balanced starting point with the needed ideal levels of the DAW instruments and plugins to provide the best possible results. In my demo from this over-hot one to this. I hope you got some ideas for your own mixing, and you're always more than welcome to get me to help you with your stems and mixes. And hey, if you like this video, please leave a comment and like it, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks.